Then, and Arch, congratulations on your wedding day. Sana magkaroon kayo ng maraming anak. More power to you and God bless. Wow.
Hi Diana and Arch! Congratulations on your wedding. Hindi nyo naman ako in-invite. Gusto kong maki-wedding sana. But good luck. Good luck talaga. But congratulations. I wish you guys all the best. And sa baptismal na lang, bumawi naman kayo sa akin. Invite nyo naman ako. Bye!
Hi, Baby D and Arch. Congratulations sa divorce nito. Ay, kasal pala, sorry. Congratulations. Now you are a superstar and enjoy your lives together. God bless. Take care. Happy mong sinabi.
Have a fruitful marriage.
Correct.
Yeah.
Thank you. Do your thing.
Ay, naman.
Baby D and Arch, congratulations! I heard ikakasal kayo. Wishing you the best and many more babies to come.